If you need to scan a QR code, maybe it's for a website, Wi-Fi or a payment, here's how you can do it easily on your Android phone. So the first method is using your camera. Most Android phones can scan QR codes using the regular camera. You just have to open the camera app like that. And now point out the camera at the QR code. You have to hold it steady for few seconds. If your phone supports it, you will see a link or a message pop up. You have to tap it and it will take you to the website or actions linked to the code. No? If nothing shows up, your phone might not support QR scanning through the camera. So for that you have to use second method, which is using Google Lens. So for that you have to open Google Lens app on your Android device. Now point the camera at the QR code. Google Lens will read the code and show you the results. If you don't see Google Lens in your camera, no worries, just open the Google app and tap on the camera icon in the search bar. That's the basically lens. Point it out to QR code and it will let you scan it. Now the third method is using a QR code scanner app. Most of devices have that built in, but if you don't have that in your Android device, and if your phone doesn't have any of those options, you can download it for free on Play Store. You just have to open Play Store and search for QR scanner. You can install any one which have good ratings. For example, this one have 4.7. You can simply install it, and once it's installed you can open it and scan your QR code, and it will take you to the link or any action that was supposed to happen after scanning that QR code. And that's how you can use QR scanner app on your Android device. Hit like and subscribe for more tech videos.